You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. Well, should I say this name? This is actually a surname which is fairly common in France. If you want to learn more French vocabulary, stay tuned. We've got tons more coming up. Duchamp is the French pronunciation. It's famous for being the name of a painter. Duchamp, literally meaning from the field. Duchamp. In English, you can say it as Duchamp. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.